Hi. Listen, I woke up today with a burning desire to have this conversation with you. This conversation is about the words we say to ourselves and the words we say to others. It is so important that we're mindful of what we're putting out there in the universe, because our words, they can build, they can restore, but they can also destroy. And I want you to really think about moments in your life where someone has said something to you, about you, or even around you. They weren't speaking to you, but the words were said, and they became imprints in your mind that now show up in your life in different ways. Our words are powerful. A lot of these words are words that we heard when we were children. And because we're sponges, especially when we're younger and our brain is wide open and learning and observing and really just trying to figure out, who am I in this young space, and who do I emulate and who do I admire? And those people we emulate and admired, we listened intently to their words, and then we carry that with us. So I really want to encourage you to examine those words that you're still carrying with you and try to figure out if they still serve you. Do you still need them? And if you don't, it is time to get rid of them. And then, as an adult, I want you to examine the words that you use and look around you. Who are they affecting? Are they the right words to use? Are they building or are they destroying?